Bhunti and Sita on their Himalayan journey. One day at school, the teacher was teaching about the Himalayas. The Himalayas are the pride of our country. We must protect the mountains and nature. Bhunti and Sita became very excited hearing about the Himalayas. Sita, I really want to see the mountains up close. Me too. I wonder what a snow-covered mountain looks like. A few days later, they went to visit a Himalayan village with their family. Around the village, there were tall mountains, green forests, and cool breeze. Birds were singing in sweet voices. Wow, this place is so beautiful. Look, the mountains seem to reach above the clouds. As they were exploring the village, Bhunti suddenly noticed plastic bottles and garbage on the path. Who could have thrown garbage here? If everyone throws garbage like this, nature will be destroyed. Then Bhunti and Sita started picking up the litter. Seeing them, other children from the village also came forward. We will help too. Everyone worked together and cleaned the village. The village began to look clean and beautiful again. Thank you, children. You have done a wonderful thing. Keeping nature clean is our responsibility. Let's love the Himalayas and keep them free from pollution. That day, Bhunti and Sita learned a great lesson. Protecting nature means protecting our future. It is our duty to protect nature and the Himalayas.